everybody, and welcome to my channel. Sorry, I'm looking rough, and I haven't made a video in a while. I don't know. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from Amazon. This should be my Pokemon Gacha, or Pokemon, whatever you want to call it. I think it's Gacha, or whatever. Pull strings. Okay. So, that's what it looks like. This is the US version. It says that you're supposed to, is what I've read, you're supposed to charge it before you start using it. It's supposed to auto catch and collect Pokemon and Pokestops. So this should help me level up. On level 21. I've been on level 21 for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for y'all so I can see it. So it's got some important before you use this product, make sure it's charged. There it is. Put the device, the USB charger, cable supply, make sure it's firmly in, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's that paper. Then this is the user guide. Very small user guide. The actual not the user guide, the info guide. The user guide you have to actually actually have to download from that site. Okay, so this is the device with the charger. And then this is the wristband you get. It actually looks sort of similar to the Fitbit that I got my aunt. Let me see how this is going to work on my wrist. Okay. So I guess it goes in like this. Sorry if it's bothering me. It goes in like that, I guess. Tighten it up. And you put it through the hole. And pretty much, I'm not a big fan of this band. I'll probably get another one later on. I do have the Apple Watch, so I can use this to collect Pokestops and Pokemon. But I can also check and see which Pokemon it's about to catch before I go in and try to actually catch it. So anyway, it does look kind of big for the little thing, but hopefully it works. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on there. I think it's dead though. So it looks like this. It's that small. I'm gonna go ahead and press it again. Yeah, it's dead. Completely dead. So I'm going to charge this up, and I may make another video later on seeing and telling you how this works. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, you guys. Also, quick disclaimer. When you use this device, it only uses your original Pokeballs. No Great Balls. No Ultra Balls, none of the white balls and Master Balls, none of those. It doesn't use those. This one, on the other hand, you can put it on there, and the only thing that you can do is hatch eggs. This one collects, hatches, everything. Collects, does the whole shebang for you. But if you want to turn it off, I have read that you can turn it off as well. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, you guys.